Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to describe a very easy and pretty knitting stitch pattern. Friends, this pattern is very easy for the absolute beginners also. This pattern can be used for making a blanket, sweater, jacket, scarf, etc. It is a 4 rows repeat knitting pattern and stitches needed for cast on are the multiple of 18 plus 5 extra stitches for balancing the pattern plus 2 edge stitches. So multiple of 18 plus 5 extra stitch and plus 2 edge stitches. So let's start the tutorial. Friends, before starting the tutorial, if you really like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming video. Friends, please also share my video with your friend in your groups and keep supporting me. Thank you. Friends, here for the demonstration I have cast on 25 stitches on my needle, 18 plus 5 extra stitches for balancing the pattern plus 2 edge stitches. I will make only one repeat here, so total 25 stitches. Let's start the first row of the pattern, right side. First of all is slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will start, and pattern is yarn in front, purl 5 stitches, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Purl 5 stitches, then yarn in back, knit 13 stitches, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. Knit 13 stitches. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and the repeat pattern is first is a slip stitch, edge stitch. After that pattern is start, and pattern is purl 5 stitches, knit 13 stitches. So we will repeat this pattern in the whole row. At the last I have 6 stitches. For the last 6 stitches, yarn in front, purl 5 stitches. These are for balancing our pattern. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Purl 5, yarn in back, knit the edge stitch. Second row, wrong side, slip the edge stitch. After that purl all the stitches in the second row. So let's complete this row by purl all the stitches. Third row, right side, slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will start, and pattern is yarn in front, purl 5 stitches, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Purl 5 stitches, then yarn in back. Friends, now here are 4 stitches, 1 2 3 and 4. We will knit these 4 stitches together, 1 2, 3 and 4. Knit these 4 stitches together like this. Now drop these stitches. So here is knit 4 stitches together, then yarn over and knit 1. We will do this for 5 times. Yarn over, knit 1. One time is here. Again yarn over, knit 1. 2 times. Yarn over, knit 1. 3 times. Yarn over, knit 1. 4 times. Yarn over, knit 1. 5 times. So yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, 2, yarn over, knit 1, 3, yarn over, knit 1, 4, yarn over, knit 1, 5. After that yarn over, and we will knit these 4 stitches together but through the back loop. In starting here we have knit 4 stitches together from the front side, but in the last we will do a knit 4 stitches together through the back loop. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So knit 1, 2, 3 and 4 through the. So we will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and the repeat pattern is purl 5, knit 4 stitches together, yarn over, knit 1 5 times, yarn over, knit 4 stitches together through the back loop. Last I have 6 stitches. For the last 6 stitches, yarn in front, purl 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn in back, knit the edge stitch. 4th row, slip the edge stitch. After that purl all the stitches in the 4th row. So let's complete this row by purl all the stitches. So friends, after the 4 rows our pattern is ready. We will repeat these 4 rows over and over again until the desired length of our pattern. Friends, when we repeat these 4 rows, we will get a pattern like this. I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video and enjoying knitting with us. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye-bye.